In today's digital world, internet privacy and security are more important than ever. As we travel the enormous expanse of the internet, our information is constantly at risk from hackers, data brokers, and intrusive surveillance. One effective technique to protect your online privacy is to use a VPN, or virtual private network. But with so many alternatives available, how can you choose the best one for your individual needs? Let's plunge in. First, let's define what a VPN performs. A VPN establishes a secure tunnel between your device and the internet, encrypting your data while hiding your IP address. This implies that your online actions are practically impossible to intercept, whether by hackers using public Wi-Fi or your internet service provider. Doesn't that sound great? However, not all VPNs are made equal. To make an informed selection while choosing a VPN, you need to examine a number of important factors. Let us break them down step by step. First, consider privacy and security aspects. Look for a VPN that uses solid encryption methods like OpenVPN or IKEv2. These procedures are intended to protect your data from prying eyes. Also, see if the service has a strong no-logs policy, which means it does not track or keep your browser history. This is critical for keeping your online behaviors secret and secure. The next item on the list is speed and performance. While utilizing a VPN may slow down your internet connection, a trustworthy service will attempt to mitigate this effect. To reduce latency and improve your browsing experience, look for VPNs with high connection speeds and servers close to your geographical location. Speaking of servers, let's talk about their locations. The more server locations a VPN has, the more ways you can connect. If you travel regularly or wish to access region-locked content, this function is very useful. Choose a VPN with a diverse set of server locations across multiple countries. Device compatibility is another essential consideration. Make sure the VPN you chose works with all of your devices, including smartphones, tablets, and desktops. Some VPNs even support several simultaneous connections, which is quite useful for families with many users. Customer service is also worth considering. Reliable customer service can make a big difference, especially if you have problems while using the VPN. Check to see if the company provides 24/7 help by live chat, email, or phone. This can be a lifeline when you need immediate assistance. Now, let's discuss about the user interface. A decent VPN should be easy to use, allowing you to connect to a server with a few clicks. Intuitive design can considerably improve your experience, especially if you're not a computer expert. Next, price. While free VPNs may appear enticing, they frequently come with restrictions such as data constraints, slower speeds, or questionable privacy policies. Investing in a good premium VPN is usually the better option for anyone concerned about internet security. Look for solutions that have trial periods or money-back guarantees, allowing you to test the service before fully committing. Once you've decided on a VPN, remember to use it responsibly. Use it whenever you're using public Wi-Fi, accessing sensitive accounts, or streaming content that is region-specific. It is also recommended that you connect to your VPN before visiting any sensitive websites to guarantee that your data is safeguarded from the start. Selecting the best VPN does not have to be difficult. It's all about picking one that suits your lifestyle and privacy requirements. Remember that protecting your online privacy is your right. Do not make a compromise. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful stuff. Thank you for watching, and until the next time, be safe online.